Okay folks, we have a problem here written as a story. Tom had 27 marbles in his pocket, but his collection of marbles originally had 42. How many marbles did he lose? Now I don't have that many marbles, but I have got some yellow wee counters here. Here's 42 counters. That's like the amount of marbles that Tom used to have. And this is 27. That's how many he has now. So the question is, what does he have now? How many does he have now? And to work it out, we need to start off with his original amount. And if you read the story carefully, his original amount was 42. 42 marbles. And he's now got 27 marbles. So if we go 42 minus 27, then we will get how many marbles he's got now. Now just getting to that point is a win. If you can read a story and then get the mass sentence taken from it. So let's have a look at these. We can imagine that this is 42 and that's 27. And when you've got lots of ones, individual counters like that, it's a little bit difficult to do your subtraction sum. You have to do it one by one. So if I just rearrange this amount, and what we've got here is 10 here. I've got 10 in this next row. If you just allow me to take the time. And then we've got 10 here. And we've got 10 here. Okay, and what I can do is I can replace what we call a rod of 10 for each of these. So I could take all of that away and we've just left with 40 and 2 ones. So 4 tens and 2 ones. And down here with the 27, I could rearrange that. So we've got 20 and 7 and represent those amounts like that. Now, let me pause this for a sec. So, the question is still 42 minus 27. And what I've done is I've put my 42 there, and I've got my 27 here. Now, I could write this like this, 42, and I could write 27 there. But for most people, what they do is they write 42 like this and 27 like this. And we want to do 42 minus 27. Now here, when they're arranged like this, if I want to start taking things away, what happens is that you say 2 minus 7. And here, this amount, 2, minus this amount, 7. You can't do it. We're going to have to borrow some from here. So if I take that amount and I add it over here, I've got now only 30 here. And over here, instead of 2, I've got 12. Okay, and on this sort of thing, what we do here is we're going to borrow 1 from the 4, that's the 10 here, and that gets given to the 2, so it becomes 10 plus 2 is 12. And we're left over here with just 30. And when you're writing it short form, it's just a 3, but it means 3 tens. Just like here we have 3 lots of 10. And over here we've got your 12, 1 10 and 2 2s. And that's how we normally write it once we get to intermediate school. But what it does is it allows you to do the takeaways, because I now have 12 here and I can take 7 away from 12. And usually what I like doing is perhaps counting up